Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Payoneer. First things first, make sure you have a strong network signal. Check the bars on your phone. If they're low, you might want to move closer to a window or step outside. Buildings with thick walls can sometimes block the signal. Next, check your spam or block messages folder. Sometimes the verification code gets filtered by mistake. Open your messaging app, tap your profile, and look under spam or blocked. If you see Payoneer, open it and use the code you received. If that doesn't work and your signal is fine, the next step is contacting Payoneer support. Sometimes there can be server delays or other issues preventing the code from arriving. Go to the Payoneer support page and scroll down to My Payoneer account. Click on it, then scroll to Logging in and Security Issues. From there, look for I can't receive the verification code sent to my phone. Click on it. At the bottom of that page, you'll see Contact Us. You can fill out your details and reach out via live chat, send a message, or even call. This is usually the fastest way to resolve the issue. And that's it. Following these steps should help you get your Payoneer verification code without any hassle. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial for more tips. Thanks for watching.